Meaning of insulting.
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 Insulting. The term insulting refers to behavior or language that is intended to hurt, offend, or belittle someone. It involves making remarks or comments that are derogatory, disrespectful, or offensive in nature, and can be directed towards a person's character, appearance, abilities, or beliefs. Insulting behavior can cause emotional harm, damage self-esteem, and create a hostile or uncomfortable environment for everyone involved. It is generally considered to be inappropriate and unacceptable in most social situations.